Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox several packages from China in which I have both tools made in China and other brands. So I have video series, tools from China and China tools unboxing. I will put the link to the playlist under the description of the video. If you are interested, you can watch my other videos. So let's start to unbox and see what we have inside. I am buying a lot of things from China, as you know, from Taobao. It is, compared with many other countries, much more cheaper, and you can find nearly everything with very affordable prices. I'm using a shipping company to receive packages in my country. This is kit for the car. You can get plastic players, metal one with this seat, several zippers, but you can watch with like this head for the car. Let's see what else I have in the package. This is just some rubbers and this nice case with a lot of clips inside. You can see the types, very different for very different car models. So I decided to buy such a nice kit to have in my garage when I am working or doing something in the car, and these plastic clips all the time breaks. So to have different sizes and types in your garage and your toolbox, very nice. And the packaging is also, the case also is very nice with several levels, and it comes together like this. You can see different colors, types, sizes, and the most appealing thing for this, the price. For the whole kit, as I remember, I paid just $6 or $7 and maybe $2 for shipping to my country. So for $8-9, this is very great kit to have in your garage when you do something on your car. If buy here in my country, I think in many other countries, just for a set of 5 clips inside, they are asking about $2. So considering this huge kit in every situation for $8-9, I think very great kit to have in your garage. So let's see what else we have. Next one. Okay, this is drill bit set with depth stop. If you know, there are very famous brands like Festool, Acme, and others which make drill bits with stops, but the price is very different compared with this Chinese one. Let's look at it. The price for this about $7-8 for just this one with depth stop. They promised that it should has bearing here. I see, you can see also, let me, inside bearings, it rotates very freely, very nice, very solid. The Acme has very similar to this one, but the price is about $35 to $40, and for $7 having such one from China, very nice. As you can see, here is 4 like blades, all, I hope, No, this is metal. I hope that this is a carpet insert. With carpet inserts, it goes very long and giving very clean card. But hope this one also will work. Very free spin. And this green one is a rubber ring, I think, to protect the surface, especially for melamine boards and other ones. Hex key comes inside with the kit to adjust the height. This one is an insert. Let me to take it out. You can see this is insert, and there are different sizes. I also ordered another 2 sizes. Unscrewing this one, this go out with drill bit, and you can change, especially this one, 2.8 millimeters the drill bit diameter and 10 diameter of countersink part. Hope it will work well. I will show it in another short videos maybe. I have another one from other brand, Craftsman, and another one, Wolfcraft, with this plastic part. It goes to plastic very soon. It damaged and broke, so the price is the same, but I'm very unhappy with Wolfcraft one. I have unboxing and test video on my channel, and the metal part of this countersink becoming very dull very soon. So I will test it and show in short video the results. Let's see what we have inside. I also ordered this type of drill bit for metal. You can see these carbide inserts, and they cut metal very well. I have other sizes too. This is 18 millimeter, and the price is about $2 for the kit with drill bit and this one. Very nice plastic case, another size. And this is adapters. You can see from hammer drill to regular hex one. So the quality, I feel, very well made. This is brass, this is metal. So nice thing to have in your toolbox. Let's continue and see what we have in another box. In this one, so in China, not only you can buy for more affordable prices, but also you can find a lot of things which you never thought there exist in this world. So I strongly suggest you to try it, and I hope it will be useful and good for you. I have ordered second set of this MFT style table clamps because I am very happy with the quality, especially for the price, about $7 for the kit of 2. And the shipping to me another $3. So for the kit, $10 for this kit is very affordable, and for the quality which I received, it's 100% for the price. This is Chinese brand Duratec. I have another clamps from this brand, and the for price, again and again, very good quality. If you buy, you will be very happy with them. Plastic very sturdy, very strong. This is metal part. As you can see, insert thread is brass. This is 20 millimeter diameter version for MFT style table, but as well they have 19 millimeters version. If you put on the table in front of this like stop, both stops and the clamp you can screw underneath the table. If you want very sturdy clamping experience. But in my experience, working with the clamp like this is enough, and this in rare situation I use. You put and like this clamp and fork, and another great thing is the height of this part, so you can work with very thin materials. The thickness, as you can see, about 14 millimeters. So it is also nice. Other famous brands also make clamps like this, like Bessie or Festool, but the price may be 5-10 times higher. So for the quality, I'm very happy with them. Suggest anyone who wants to buy. This one is 90-degree clamps for clamping in 90 degrees. I use them in cabinet making, very useful thing to have in your toolbox. Let's see the quality. Okay, again, this is from Duratec brand. I have from another more cheaper version of these, but the set of two of the clamps I paid again about $8-9. So the quality of this one much better than the no-name brand which I have in my workshop now and use them. 90 degrees should be here. If you are interested, let me know in the comment, and I will show another video and check if we have 90 degree here. So clamping like this one, and the material is metal, I think aluminium, but quite thick, as you can see. So by feeling, as expected from the Duratec, I like this brand, recommend it. Very nice. So one thing which I will check later is the 90 degree, if I have 90 degree here. If here 90 degree, so I will recommend this, because in the feeling and the build quality is very good and very sturdy. Let's put clamps a little far. And another thing, as I remember, here I should have ruler, but this time this should be a Japanese brand. Let's unbox and see if I'm right or not. Just a moment, I will open and show you. As you can see, the packaging is very good. They packed very well in order to not damage the rulers during transportation. If you are interested how to buy from China and how do it, feel free to ask in the comments. I will try to answer and help you. Okay, yes, I'm right. This brand is Capro. This is a Japanese brand and very famous brand. They made levels and other such things in starting from affordable prices for hobbyists and very high prices for professionals. So this nice ruler is cost about $5. I chose 80 centimeters version. They have 60, 100, 120 centimeters. So for my regular work, 80 centimeters is more than enough. What nice thing which I see here, let's take it out from packaging and see what we have in this instruction. Level on both sides. Here we can put the knife in this red plastic parts for precise cutting. I will test if it works. I will let you know in short videos and show. Another nice thing which I like and for which I bought, the numbers here. As you can see, you can put like this and take your marks. It's more comfortable for me to use like this 10 in flat rulers like that. When you're on angle, it's a little bit maybe difficult for longer rulers to use. Material is aluminum, very sturdy. Let's unbox the plastic. Nice other thing, it comes with this one to keep the nails for nailing, for pipes, to put a size with this red plastic parts and in exact places for marking and so on. On the price, $5 for this, I think very nice. 5, 6, maybe with shipping $7. So $7 for such ruler with famous brands. Let's see where it made. Maybe they write here. $6.97. I do not know the country. $6.97. Maybe it made in Japan or in China. I can't see any information about it, but it doesn't matter because I feel the ruler is sturdy and I think precise, as you can expect from famous brands like Capro. Here are some sizes for A4, A3, for some lamps, for you can see here. It's make easier for you to use their predefined sizes. This part for keeping nails, you can take out, keep your nails, nailing and so on. Here is, you can see different size holes, so you can check your drill bits size with this one, and goes like this. Just a second. Levels, as you can see here, and this red part you can adjust and choose whatever you want. You can see very thin, like a bertier, and here to put on exact size by millimeter and millimeter. So I'm very happy with this one. The rest I will use and tell in work how is it. Hope the video is useful for you and will help in your buyings. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like the video and information, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me to make more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.